All right, Daryl, here's 427 small block Ford. Give you a description of this combination. Got some of our ice cast heads. Obviously, we got your Cobra valve covers on. Little rock fuel plank, quick fuel carburetor. Vintage air front end on it. Custom ground hydraulic roller. Your rear sump oil pan. Going to make a run. Since she does, stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,300, 520 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peak torque 533, peak horsepower 508, rated at 500. It's got a front end on it, so that's really good. So what we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean. I'll show you a couple other things. When you receive your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, it's a USB card, full of technical information, engine build specs, dyno video, tech stuff. So highly recommend watching it. This is the engine tag. It will have an engine number on it, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way to look stuff up for you. Flip it over, it's got a QR code. That'll take you to our site, some more tech stuff. So have a great day.